Hi everyone, we're here at NACS 2019 in Atlanta, and we're here outside of where Stryve's booth is. It's a little bit noisy inside.
Very loud in there.
But here talking to Jaxie Alt. She's a member of the leadership team for Stryve Biltong. So nice to see you, Jaxie.
Thank you for having me. Excited to talk to you.
Of course. Tell us a bit about Stryve, why it was started, and what it is.
Absolutely. So we are a healthy snacking company, and our mission is to help America snack better. To us, it's not okay that 2/3 of America is obese or overweight. 30% of our kids are. There's lots of reasons for it, but one reason is that Americans snack on really unhealthy food. So we have a product called Biltong, and it is air-dried beef. It's 50% more protein than a beef jerky, no sugar, no nitrates, nothing artificial, and is a truly good-for-you snack.
Some people don't really know what Biltong is here in the US. How much of your marketing is educating those people, and how do you go about that?
Yeah, like no one knows what it is. So that's our biggest challenge for sure, brand new to the US. So we spend a lot of our dollars focused on awareness, but then trial as well, because even if the word Biltong is a little strange to you or you're not sure, tasting is really believing.
So I know when I talked to you guys in April for a story on NOSH, you had some new funding. You raised $16.5 million in funding, bringing the total raise to about $26.5 for Stryve. Tell us how that new funding's been especially used to grow the brand.
Really a combination of operations and marketing. So we have built a state-of-the-art Biltong facility, the biggest facility in the United States, and we are making amazing high-quality product. The other piece is for marketing. So doing things to really drive awareness and people really know what our brand is, what our product is, and to gain trial.
And here at the show, you actually have new packaging that you're debuting, which is really exciting. Tell us a bit about that.
Yeah, we've been working really hard to really build the Stryve brand and what it's about. And it's really about that passion for healthy snacking that I talked to you earlier about. So what you see is new packaging. We'll have all new creative to go along with that, new media plan that really launches towards the end of this year, really into January. But it really shows you visually that passion we have for healthy snacking. And that's really what you see coming through that really wasn't in our current packaging.
Before you had said, the focus was more on mass channels versus natural and specialty, but has that strategy changed? And maybe tell us a bit how convenience might play into that as well.
Sure. I mean, our mission is really to help America snack better, so we want to be everywhere. So we're here at NACS. We're in many convenience stores already. We do have distribution in mass. We've got distribution in drug. We are in the natural channel. We're nationwide in Sprouts now. So our mission is really to try to be everywhere so that no matter where you shop, you can find us.
I saw on your website that you actually feature some recipes as well. Is that sort of something you think requires more education, is a way to connect with people more and give them different use cases for Biltong?
Yeah, so I think once you understand what Biltong is, it is actually very easy to put into recipes. But we definitely, have learned we got to start with ground zero with this, what are we, what is our product? So we do some recipes, but it's sort of a smaller piece of our strategy because we got to be very focused on defining what this thing is for people so they really understand it.
Do you see the sort of rise in the natural channel of plant-based jerkies as exciting, as competition? What are your thoughts on that?
I think any snack, we're all in this huge snack universe. For someone who doesn't eat meat, plant-based is a great option for them. But I think there's, a lot of consumers out there. There's room for, a lot of us. And it'll be really interesting to see how Americans adopt plant-based jerky. It's a very different texture, very different taste. So it'll be really interesting to see what the future holds.
Well, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
Of course. Thanks everyone for joining us as well, and we'll see everyone soon.